Today we're looking at the Paddock Machinery Thermal Butane Mosquito and Sandfly Fogger. Now this is a fantastic device that you can use around your home, small property, while you're away camping. It creates a thick, dense fog that goes through your trees and plants, and when it contacts mosquitoes and sandflies, it kills them fast. The Paddock Fogger is different to other units on the market. The key difference being that the active chemical is actually injected at the end of the nozzle here. By doing this, the chemical isn't degraded throughout the fogging process. What it ultimately means is you can run lower concentrations of chemical, the chemical's more effective, and it lasts longer. The unit uses disposable butane canisters. These are really cheap and commonly found. You put diesel as your carrier solution. The active chemical goes in the chemical tank. The key to the mosquito fogger's success is the use of the active chemical. Now we recommend using a pyrethrin concentrate. This is a fantastic product. It kills mosquitoes, sandflies, spiders, ordinary house flies. It's really safe to use. It won't hurt humans and it won't hurt your animals and pets. Now for the chemical tank, as we're using a concentrate, we're going to only mix up 10 ml of the active chemical. We're going to make up the balance with diesel. Pumping the handle generates the fog, and you can adjust the amount of active chemical you inject right here with this knob. The built-in ignition system means it's a simple push-button start, and you get this carrier strap which makes it really easy to move around the property. The key to success with a fogger is contacting the insects you want to kill. Okay, so the best times to fog for mosquitoes and sandflies, I typically find dusk and dawn. When it comes to the frequency to fog, you're really best to do it a few days in a row, and that helps to break the breeding cycle of the mosquitoes. I also like to do it before people come over for a barbecue. It kills everything in the area and you really notice a difference. So if mosquitoes are driving you crazy, this is a fantastic solution, really easy to use, and you'll notice great benefits around your home.